My name is Engineer Nana Eko Nkwase, the Ground Systems Manager here. The Earth Observation Research and Innovation Center is a research arm of the University of Energy and Natural Resources, responsible for the acquisition of near real-time satellite-based data, airborne and in-situ-based data sets, unmanned aerial systems operations and management, weather monitoring, fire modeling and monitoring, as well as training and consultancy services in the use of Earth observation data and GIS techniques, which we do collectively towards making informed decisions in the area of water, disaster, health, energy, climate, health, ecosystem, and biodiversity. The center currently operates under the following sections. So we have the Air, Weather and Climate Division, the Matter and Energy Fluxes, Earth and Oceans Observation, the Innovative Geocomputing Units, as well as the Unmanned Aerial Systems Division. Other supporting divisions include the Projects, Partnerships and Services Office, as well as the Technical Support Units. In 2015, Yorick installed the Earth Observing System, which was financed by the Skill Development Fund. And this was part of a project to develop a fire and disaster management curriculum in the university. This infrastructure downlinks and tracks satellites from low Earth and middle Earth orbits and affords us with information satellite data products that look upon the Earth. These satellites include NASA Aqua, Terra, Suomi MPP, NOAA 18 and 19, METOP A, METOP B, Fungi 3B, and NOAA JPSS. These satellite products allow us to observe what's happening on the Earth, as well as provide us with critical data products for applications from fire monitoring, resource management, public safety, environmental pollution, among others. So the EOS, even though it's located here in Sunyani, provides data that covers the whole of West Africa, some parts of Eastern Africa and Northern Africa as well. It can boast of a number of special infrastructure or unique infrastructure. The center commenced in 2013 with the Jonetka reception station. This antenna allows us to downlink already processed satellite data products from across the world. And these products are necessarily meteorological related data products from several countries that have already been processed. In 2015, Yorick installed the Earth Observing System. This system was sponsored by the Skills Development Fund in relation to the development of a fire and disaster management curriculum. The system affords us to downlink or track in real time satellite data products that cuts across applications such as food security, wildfire monitoring, weather forecasting, climate modeling, among others. Some of the satellites that we receive or track information from include the NASA Aqua, NASA Terra, Suomi MPP, JPSS, NOAA 18 and 19, METOP A, METOP B. So even though we have this infrastructure located here installed in Sunyani, the combined SWAT area for the satellite data products covers the whole of West Africa, some portions of East Africa and then Northern Africa as well. This infrastructure is currently the only one in Ghana serving this purpose and providing Earth observation related satellite data products in Ghana. Following that and building on that and then the partnerships and technical expertise, the university was selected as one of the stations or sites for installing the Cosmic 2 ground station. Cosmic stands for Constellation Observing System for Meteorology, Ionosphere and Climate. This program was led by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration of the US with partners as the US Air Force Academy as well as the Taiwanese National Space Organization. The Cosmic 2 ground station receives information or satellites from remote sensing satellites.
This ground station behind me collects data for weather forecasting, surface weather analysis, climate modeling, among others. It forms part of 10 Cosmic 2 projects across the world, the only one in West Africa and 2 in Africa. The other one can be found in Mauritius. It helps in data analysis for decision-making processes, not only in Ghana, but also in Africa and across the world.
This room, the Yorick lab, we have the servers and then the processing desktops that process the satellite data that is received, as well as archive it over here. And so essentially, the desktops that are processing, the servers that send information to the ground stations outside to move whenever there's a pass are all in here. So the Earth observing system affords us with satellite information data that helps us to detect fire hotspots in Ghana and in West Africa. The information is fed into an advanced virtual fire information system, which is an ICT-based information, to alert farmers and then other stakeholders about areas where fire is of high risk and where fires are currently occurring. We do this in near real time as and when there's a satellite pass over the system. So the information served by the satellites into the advanced virtual fire information system gives some fire danger indices. Also, it detects the fires and gives fire hotspots, as well as some weather-related data, which includes temperature, humidity, rainfall, and other parameters that can impact on the severity of fires. This is to inform farmers and stakeholders as to how to plan their activities during the dry season, specifically where fires tend to occur often. So UNE, in partnership with the Atlas Space Operations, installs and maintains the ground station that supports and provides satellite data for the Cosmic 2 program. The Cosmic 2 program is led by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration of the US and Taiwan's National Space Organization. This infrastructure forms part of 10 similar ground stations scattered in the equatorial region for the Cosmic 2 program. The satellite data received from this system is helping to improve on numerical weather prediction as well as space weather analysis. So in 2017, UNE, in partnership with Atlas Space Operations in the US, installed and maintains a ground station that provides satellite data support for the Cosmic 2 program. The Cosmic 2 program is led by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration in the US and the National Space Organization of Taiwan on the project. The Cosmic 2 data allows us to improve on numerical weather prediction as well as space weather analysis. This infrastructure forms part of 10 similar stations scattered in the equatorial architecture for the Cosmic 2 program.